Mitsubishi has revealed the new DST Concept at the Philippine International Motor Show. Built on an all-new monocoque platform, the midsize three-row SUV will join the Xforce, Pajero Sport, and Xpander Cross in its Asean lineup, rather than serving as a direct replacement for an existing SUV. The design concept of the SUV is gravitas and dynamism, respectively represented in the commanding aura of the exterior and blacking out of the pillars, as well as the sculpted fender flares and a sense of robustness. In keeping with Mitsubishi's typical dynamic shield styling language, the grille is flanked by chrome inserts and T-shaped LED headlights. Inside, Mitsubishi has attempted to push things upmarket with soft-touch materials on the dash and door panels. Notable features include a fully digital cockpit, a futuristic center console, and a new two-spoke multi-function steering wheel. The front seats have integrated tables on the backrests for the second-row passengers, while for the third row, it seems to occupy most of the cargo space, leaving minimal room for luggage. Unfortunately, Mitsubishi didn't disclose details about the DST Concept's powertrain, though it generously shared that it's going to be front-wheel drive. But we expect the production version of the DST Concept to come with the same 1.5-liter petrol engine as the Xforce, though we hope it will come with a plug-in hybrid setup following the popularity of the Outlander PHEV. The full answer will only be revealed around the second half of 2025, when Mitsubishi plans to unveil the production version of the DST Concept.